तुम दोनों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। Nothing can be of both of you. Nothing can be of both of you. वह अपनी ही दुनिया में मग्न है। He is engrossed in his own world. He is engrossed in his own world. अगर वो पैसे मांगने लगा तो What if he starts asking for money? What if he starts asking for money? चाय बनाना मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है। Making tea is a piece of cake for me. Making tea is a piece of cake for me. वह फ़ोन चलाने में मग्न है। He is engrossed in using phone. He is engrossed in using phone. क्या तुमने कभी गलती नहीं की? Don't you ever make a mistake? क्या तुमने कभी गलती नहीं की? Don't you ever make a mistake? अच्छा होगा कि तुम मेरे रास्ते में ना आओ। You had better not come in my way. You had better not come in my way. जितना मजाक उड़ाना है उड़ा लो। Make fun of as much as you want. Make fun of as much as you want. अच्छा होगा कि तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ। You had better go from here. You had better go from here. क्या ज़रूरत थी वहाँ बैठने की? What was the need to sit there? What was the need to sit there? अच्छा होगा कि तुम मुझसे बात ही ना करो। You had better not talk to me. You had better not talk to me. मैं इंटरव्यू दे देकर थक गया हूँ। I am tired of giving interviews. I am tired of giving interviews. तुम्हारे बहानों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। Nothing can be of your excuses. Nothing can be of your excuses. मैं तुम्हें समझा समझा कर थक गया हूँ। I am tired of making you understand. I am tired of making you understand. मुझे पानी कहीं नहीं मिला। I found water nowhere. I found water nowhere. क्या ज़रूरत थी उसे बुलाने की? What was the need to call him? What was the need to call him? तुम कहीं नहीं छुप सकते हो। You can hide nowhere. You can hide nowhere. क्या ज़रूरत थी उससे बात करने की? What was the need to talk to him? What was the need to talk to him? जितना हंसना है हंस लो। Laugh as much as you want. Laugh as much as you want. वह निराशावादी इंसान है। He is a pessimistic person. He is a pessimistic person. वह अक्सर रोती रहती है। She frequently keeps crying. She frequently keeps crying. उसे गलतफहमी हो गई है। She has a misunderstanding. She has a misunderstanding. उसने मेरा मोबाइल कहीं खो दिया। He lost my mobile somewhere. He lost my mobile somewhere. यह चिंता का विषय है। It is the topic of concern. It is the topic of concern. वह अक्सर मुझसे बात करती है। She frequently talks to me. She frequently talks to me. अगर तुम कहो तो मैं यहाँ से चला जाता हूँ। If you say so, I go from here. If you say so, I go from here. कहीं ना कहीं तुम गलत हो। Somewhere you are wrong. कहीं ना कहीं तुम गलत हो। Somewhere you are wrong. अगर तुम कहो तो मैं उसके घर नहीं जाऊँगा। If you say so I will not go his home. If you say, so I will not go his home. वह आसानी से मान जाने वाला आदमी नहीं है. He is not the sort of guy who gives in easily. He is not the sort of guy who gives in easily. जब लोग उसके खिलाफ जाते हैं तो वह गुस्सा हो जाता है. He tends to get angry when people oppose him. He tends to get angry when people oppose him. तुम्हें जल्द से जल्द डॉक्टर के पास जाने की ज़रूरत है. It is necessary for you to see a doctor at once. It is necessary for you to see a doctor at once. तुम यहाँ से पूरा शहर देख सकते हो. You can see the whole city from here. You can see the whole city from here. हम सब तुम्हारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत चिंतित हैं. We are all anxious about your health. We are all anxious about your health. इस बारिश में बाहर जाना एकदम सवाल के बाहर है. Going out in this rain is out of the question. Going out in this rain is out of the question. तुम्हारे दिमाग में यह बात कैसे आई? What put such an idea into your head? What put such an idea into your head? तुम मानो या ना मानो उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It makes no difference whether you agree or not. It makes no difference whether you agree or not. उसकी निराशा सभी आसानी से देख सकते थे. Everyone could easily see his disappointment. Everyone could easily see his disappointment. तुमने अपनी कमीज़ उल्टी पहनी हुई है. You are wearing your shirt inside out. You are wearing your shirt inside out. जंग की वजह से बहुत सारे लोग मर गए. As a result of the war, many people died. As a result of the war, many people died. उसने किसी भी मौके को हाथ से जाने नहीं दिया. He took advantage of every opportunity he had. He took advantage of every opportunity he had. मैंने उसे पहले देखा हुआ था, इसलिए मैंने उसे पहचान लिया. Having seen him before, I recognized him. Having seen him before, I recognized him. वह खबर सुनते ही रो पड़ी. She burst into tears when she heard the news. She burst into tears when she heard the news. तुम्हें आज सुबह भूकंप महसूस हुआ क्या? Did you feel the earthquake this morning? Did you feel the earthquake this morning? मैं नहीं चाहता कि कोई भी गलतफहमी हो. I don't want there to be any misunderstanding. I don't want there to be any misunderstanding. माफ़ कीजिएगा पर मैं आपको ठीक से सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I am sorry but I can't hear you well. I am sorry but I can't hear you well. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. It happened by chance. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. It happened by chance. तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं. The doors are always open for you. The doors are always open for you. माफ़ कीजिएगा पर मैं आपको ठीक से सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I am sorry but I can't hear you well. I am sorry but I can't hear you well. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my level best. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my level best. मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए. Convey my apologies. Convey my apologies. मुझे इस विषय पर कुछ नहीं कहना है. I have nothing to say on this matter. I have nothing to say on this matter. तुम आम तौर पर रात में खाना खाने के बाद क्या करते हो? What do you usually do after dinner? What do you usually do after dinner? मानना पड़ेगा, आपने कर दिखाया. I have to say you did it. I have to say you did it. मक्खन और पनीर दूध से बनते हैं. Butter and cheese are made from milk. मक्खन और पनीर दूध से बनते हैं. Butter and cheese are made from milk. एडवांस रुपए देना होगा. Advance money will have to be paid. Advance money will have to be paid. मेरे लिए क्या लाए हो? What have you brought for me? What have you brought for me? आप थोड़ा धीरे बोल सकते हैं क्या? Would you speak more slowly please? आप थोड़ा धीरे बोल सकते हैं क्या? Would you speak more slowly please? आमदनी से ज़्यादा खर्च मत करो. Don't spend more than you earn. Don't spend more than you earn. मुझे कभी कभी अपनी नौकरी छोड़ देने का मन करता है. At times I feel like quitting my job. At times I feel like quitting my job. मैं अपनी कमाई से संतुष्ट हूँ. I am satisfied with my current income. I am satisfied with my current income. ऐसा गलती से हुआ. It happened by mistake. ऐसा गलती से हुआ. It happened by mistake. इन दिनों मुझे पैसों की तंगी है. I am short of money these days. I am short of money these days. मैं पैसों का भूखा नहीं हूँ. I am not after money. मैं पैसों का भूखा नहीं हूँ. I am not after money. अब मैं कुछ बोलूँ? May I say something now? अब मैं कुछ बोलूँ? May I say something now? ये केवल एक सोच है. This is just a mindset. ये केवल एक सोच है. This is just a mindset. उसका लक्ष्य गरीबी को जड़ से उखाड़ फेंकना है. His ambition is to eradicate poverty. His ambition is to eradicate poverty. वो एक निराशावादी इंसान है. उसकी सोच नेगेटिव है. He is a pessimistic person. He has a negative thinking. He is a pessimistic person. He has a negative thinking. मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ. I am a spendthrift. मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ. I am a spendthrift. मुझे आजकल पैसों की दिक्कत है. I have financial problem these days. I have financial problem these days. जब आप बाहर निकलते हैं तब आपको दुनियादारी का पता लगता है. When you go out, you get to know about life. When you go out, you get to know about life. हम खबर सुनकर चौंक गए. We were surprised at the news. We were surprised at the news. क्या तुम्हारे पास अपना खुद का कमरा है? Do you have a room of your own? क्या तुम्हारे पास खुद का कमरा है? Do you have a room of your own? लड़ने झगड़ने से बात का हल नहीं होगा. Fighting won't settle anything. Fighting won't settle anything. चीज़ों को देखने का आपका नज़रिया आसपास के माहौल पर निर्भर करता है. Your perspective to see things depends on your surroundings. Your perspective to see things depends on your surrounding. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है? Don't you have something to do? Don't you have something to do? आपके ज़बरदस्त सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much for your incredible support. Thank you so much for your incredible support. वह नतीजे के लिए बेचैन है। He is anxious about the result. He is anxious about the result. मैं रोज़ दौड़ने जाता हूँ जिसकी वजह से मुझ में अच्छा स्टैमिना है। I go for running every day. As a result, I have good stamina. I go for running every day. As a result, I have good stamina. बॉस ने मुझे सोचने भी नहीं दिया। Boss doesn't even let me think. Boss doesn't even let me think. क्या तुमको गाड़ी चलाना आता है? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? मैंने उससे बैठ जाने का इशारा किया। I motioned for her to sit down. I motioned for her to sit down. आपने उसे जाने क्यों नहीं दिया? Why did you not let him go? Why did you not let him go? इससे सस्ता वाला है क्या? Do you have one that's cheaper? Do you have one that's cheaper? मुझे उसके खिलाफ मत भड़काओ। Don't provoke me against him. Don't provoke me against him. कारोबार में आजकल मंदी पड़ गई है। Business is so slow these days. Business is so slow these days. आप बिना किसी कारण के तनाव में हैं। You are stressed for no reason. You are stressed for no reason. अगर कोई आए तो उनसे कहना कि मैं बाहर गया हूँ। Tell whoever comes that I am out. Tell whoever comes that I am out. हमें अंदर जाने से पहले जूते उतारने होंगे। We will have to take off our shoes before going in. We will have to take off our shoes before going in. यह पैसा ज़रूरतमंदों में बांट देना चाहिए। The money should be distributed to those in need. The money should be distributed to those in need. उसने जैसे बताया था मैंने वैसा किया। I did it the way he told me to. I did it the way he told me to. हमें लोगों की पीठ के पीछे उनकी बुराई नहीं करनी चाहिए। We must not speak ill of others behind their backs. We must not speak ill of others behind their backs. यहाँ तैरना बहुत खतरनाक है। Swimming here is very dangerous. Swimming here is very dangerous. अब से आपकी हिफाजत के लिए हम जिम्मेदार हैं। We are responsible for your protection from now on. We are responsible for your protection from now on. लोग कहते हैं कि इस घर में भूत है। The house is said to be haunted. लोग कहते हैं कि इस घर में भूत है। The house is said to be haunted. इस काम को करने में ज़्यादा देर नहीं लगेगी। It won't take long to do the job. It won't take long to do the job. मेरे ख़याल से वह कभी भी वापस नहीं आएगा। I am of the opinion that he will never come back. I am of the opinion that he will never come back. इतने अड़ियल व्यक्ति से मेरी कभी भी मुलाकात नहीं हुई है। I have never come across such a stubborn person. I have never come across such a stubborn person. वह उनके सवालों का जवाब नहीं दे सकता। He can't answer their questions. He can't answer their questions. कल रविवार था तो मैं पूरे दिन सोता रहा। I slept all day yesterday because it was Sunday. I slept all day yesterday because it was Sunday. जापान में रहना बहुत महंगा है। It is expensive to live in Japan. It is expensive to live in Japan. मुझे एक दिन में काम खत्म करना नामुमकिन लगा। I found it impossible to do the work in one day. I found it impossible to do the work in one day. ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ आप जाना चाहते हो? Is there anywhere you want to go? Is there anywhere you want to go? उसकी बातों ने मुझे हिम्मत दी. His words strengthened me. His words strengthened me. ये सब उसकी चाल है तुम्हें फंसाने की. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. उसने सारी ज़मीन अपने अधिकार में ले ली. He acquired the whole land. He acquired the whole land. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. तुम वहाँ कितने दिन रुकोगे? How many days will you stay there? How many days will you stay there? इस शहर में इंग्लिश काफ़ी बोली जाती है. English speaking is prevalent in this city. English speaking is prevalent in this city. अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखो. Take care of your family. Take care of your family. इस दवाई ने मेरा दर्द कम कर दिया. This medicine lessened my pain. This medicine lessened my pain. तुम प्रतिदिन कितनी देर पढ़ते हो? How much time do you read every day? How much time do you read every day? थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me for a while. Stay with me for a while. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. मैंने तुम्हारी सिफारिश कर दी है. I have recommended you. I have recommended you. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? मुझसे गोलमाल बातें मत करो. Don't talk clever with me. Don't talk clever with me. मैं तुम्हारी सूरत तक नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to even see your face. I don't want to even see your face. वह फिसलकर गिर गया. He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. ये केवल एक सोच है. This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. वो ठंड से काँप रहा था. He was shivering with cold. वो ठंड से काँप रहा था. He was shivering with cold. वैसे अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? Anyway, how is your health now? वैसे अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? Anyway, how is your health now? अब जो है सो है. हमें इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. It is what it is. We will have to manage with it. It is what it is. We will have to manage with it. तुम्हें जलन क्यों हो रही है? Why are you getting jealous? तुम्हें जलन क्यों हो रही है? Why are you getting jealous? वह नेता बना फिरता है. He poses for a politician. वह नेता बना फिरता है. He poses for a politician. सर खुजाना बंद करो. Stop scratching your head. सर खुजाना बंद करो. Stop scratching your head. उसने मुझे पैसे नहीं दिए, उल्टा मैंने उसे पैसे दिए. He didn't give me money. On the contrary, I gave him money. He didn't give me money. On the contrary, I gave him money. मुझे अपने परिवार का पेट पालना है. I have to feed my family. I have to feed my family. चलो मान लेते हैं कि वह झूठ बोल रही है, पर सच क्या है? लेट्स से दैट शी इज़ टेलिंग अ लाई, बट वॉट इज़ द फैक्ट? लेट्स से दैट शी इज़ टेलिंग अ लाई, बट वॉट इज़ द फैक्ट? आगे से मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करूँगा। एज ऑफ नाउ आई वोंट हेल्प यू। एज ऑफ नाउ आई वोंट हेल्प यू। यह ग्लास झूठी है। दिस इज़ अ यूज्ड ग्लास। यह ग्लास झूठी है। दिस इज़ अ यूज्ड ग्लास। ये तो बस थोड़ी सी खरोच है। दिस इज़ जस्ट अ स्मॉल स्क्रैच। दिस इज़ जस्ट अ स्मॉल स्क्रैच। तुम्हारी बातों में आकर उसने यह गलती कर दी। शी मेड दिस मिस्टेक बीइंग ट्रैप्ड इन योर स्टोरी। शी मेड दिस मिस्टेक बीइंग ट्रैप्ड इन योर स्टोरी। वह आजकल पैसे कमाने के धुन में रहता है। He is obsessed with earning money nowadays. वह आजकल पैसे कमाने के धुन में है। He is obsessed with earning money nowadays. गीला तौलिया बिस्तर पर मत रखो। Do not put wet towel on the bed. गीला तौलिया बिस्तर पर मत रखो। Do not put wet towel on the bed. पानी के लिए हाहाकार मचा हुआ था। There was an outcry for water. There was an outcry for water. वह घर का कामकाज कर रही थी। She was doing household chores. She was doing household chores. आज उसका सच्चा स्वरूप सामने आ गया है। Today he has come out in his true colors. Today he has come out in his true colors. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 दिन लगेगा। It will take 4 days at the most. It will take 4 days at the most. आइंदा से वह इस तरह से नहीं बोलेगा। As of now, he won't speak like this. As of now, he won't speak like this. चिंता करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला। Worrying is not going to help you. Worrying is not going to help you. मुझे इस मामले में मत घसीटो। Do not drag me into this matter. Do not drag me into this matter. तुम इसे बिगाड़ दोगे, जैसा है वैसा छोड़ दो। You will spoil it. Leave it as it is. You will spoil it. Leave it as it is. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है। I have no alternative. I have no alternative. जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था, मैं हर रोज़ 4 घंटे पढ़ाई किया करता था। When I was at your age, I used to study every day for 4 hours. When I was at your age, I used to study every day for 4 hours. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई। A crowd gathered within a few seconds. A crowd gathered within a few seconds. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वह मुझसे गुस्सा हो जाएगी। At the most, she will get angry with me. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वह मुझसे गुस्सा हो जाएगी। At the most, she will get angry with me. आपका कितना पैसा मेरे पास बाकी है? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? लंबी आस्तीन वाली ड्रेस पहनो। Put on a dress with a long sleeves. Put on a dress with a long sleeves. इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so special in it? इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so special in it? 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात। It's a 9 days wonder. It's a 9 days wonder. हम सोमवार तक ठहरे। We stayed till Monday. हम सोमवार तक ठहरे। We stayed till Monday. तुम्हारी खराब हालत की वजह तुम्हारी आलसीपन है। Your bad condition is down to your laziness. Your bad condition is down to your laziness.